People are hitting me up talking about where's that wig from? Where's that wig? Who said it's a wig? Who said it's a wig? Come to the front now. This is my real hair. And if you don't think that black girls can grow hair like this, you're fighting your own racism. That's your own war with your own prejudice. I'm not gonna sit here and be a victim of ridicule. A wig? I could never wear those. I don't wear wigs. I've never worn a wig. This is my natural hair. Do you see the curls? 4C. It's nappy. Whoa. Sorry, I forgot to detangle. But yeah, a little bit of black castor oil will go a long way with you girlies who are asking me, like, this is not for you guys to even assume that. Could a wig do this? Could a wig do this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've watched my previous videos, I've been making videos on how I use clove to grow my hair, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I use my clove water and clove butter, because I got a lot of questions about this. So I'm just simply going to show you guys what I do. I don't need to explain much in this video because it is quite self-explanatory. And I also want to thank you guys for all the love on my previous videos, and welcome to all my new subscribers and all my old subscribers. You're all welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also ask any questions you want to ask in the comment section. I will reply everybody.